particularly with the Society's annual event, the Roundtable Conference. The event has been going on for almost 18 years and discussing topics of wider interest to society that emerge from the electrical engineering profession. Electrical engineering, although it is a profession with a long history, the subject of power engineering is emerging, particularly with the increased inputs from renewable energy and the challenges posed by the society to make the electricity supply more reliable and more energy efficient, as well as addressing the concerns of sustainability. The Roundtable Conference this year will focus on renewable integration to a secure power system in Sri Lanka. Renewable energy has its own strengths and weaknesses. Renewable energy is intermittent and it has the seasonality and the daily variations. The challenge faced by electric power engineers is to use the renewable energy and to continue to provide an increasingly reliable electricity supply system. And not only that, the electricity supply system has to be economical and meeting the technical quality as well. So the challenge facing the engineers is to keep up with the developments in technology, as well as not to forget that the society expects a reliable source of energy, that means electricity, to meet its daily requirements. Worldwide, quite understandably, the enthusiasm on renewable energy development, particularly for power generation, is at a very high level. The challenge that the power engineers have to face is to make sure this enthusiasm and also to a certain extent the fanaticism that is engulfing the energy community and the community at large is properly understood and managed. Worldwide, all countries are concerned about their environment and therefore considering the use of renewable energy, which in most cases is more environment friendly than the traditional resources. Sri Lanka, if we consider as of now, is still a country that secures more than 50% of her electricity as well as all other energy sources from renewables. So whether you consider electricity or all sources of energy for the country, more than 50% is from renewable sources. Now we have a challenge. The contribution from renewables have been declining for reasons that are quite understandable, for reasons of the electricity supply to be more predictable, secure, as well as cheaper. Sri Lanka had to go in for fossil-fired power generation. Similarly, for transportation as well, the use of non-renewable energy has been on the increase. So the challenge that we have is to understand that perhaps Sri Lanka should be keeping up with the world community, not lagging behind, and also not running faster than the rest of the community. Why? Because nobody else is trying to run faster than the world community in achieving the renewable energy objectives. So come on October 12th to BMICH and listen to what the experts have to say about how renewable energy could be integrated in a manner that the electric power system will remain to be secure as it is today, as well as it will continue to be even more secure in the future. So join us at the Roundtable Conference of the Electrical Engineering Society of University of Monaco.